school or just kind of train around?
This is one on. Set out a people will find you. What are you selling?
Well,
The bow is
Cups of coffee and then you vodka on a pocket lunch. There's a literal move for the field.
that's the boat.
I think the first class that's ever happened.
Oh, is it? That's
Well,
Ron, it's the best class you've ever had, I know. Everyone there is above average.
The last person strangles in about half hour late.
I'm gonna go drive up and get the pack. Okay. Oh, you got the first on. Yeah.
I don't.
Oh, really? This is the first time I've been people waiting for me at 5:30. Oh, okay. Open the door. And
Hi.
Or some kind of timer for our day.
Well, you know what I would recommend? Oh, yeah.
I love the
Well, yeah, so, but you know what, you wanna write your name somewhere on it? So, yes, there was a, yeah.
where to go?
No, that's,
The real test is how many steak or chicken.
Yeah, I did.
Say, well, I've lost. Sorry about that.
To me, it didn't affect me at all. It's just that I recognised I had no idea. I was busy trying to not break
There's some
something.
more overconfident.
make offers. We should just toss it over some more. I don't know the specific condition of any odd one, but no parts were taken from them. A lot of them do wine. Most of them are Timexes, good beginner watches.
Yeah.
Just my collection. Feel free to check them out. I brought that because it's a tourbillon.
Oh, wow.
Even if it's not the highest end, it's a tourbillon, so it's fun. Right?
No, this is.
Yeah, that's the
They went out of business.
Oh yeah, I see a couple other brands. They're all gorgeous though.
Well, they're fun starter beginner watches. I mean, if you break it, you're not going to cry about it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Are these ones for sale at all? Or
Yeah. Oh, of course. Yeah. These are. Just talk to me about it. Some $5. I don't know.
Yeah, and then I'm assuming these are just like like I said, easy to clean. Or
Those were ones that we sent to a watchmaker and they were sent back for a reason or other, probably parts or not available.
oh, okay. So more of just like if you want a project or something.
Yeah,
or something like that.
All these are projects.
Okay.
Yep.
Sounds good. Awesome.
He hadn't done it in like 20 years, so it took us a few sessions to get everything sorted out. But anyways, and I was telling him about the little tiny screws. Learning. That lady. Yeah. I mean, it's beautiful. It's big, but it's beautiful. And just, you know, as soon as you start.
Just at this point, it's not
So it's a nice landing.
still kind of a tender
I don't. He decided he was not.
Some of my watches get one once a year. It doesn't run every day, so even if it hasn't been serviced for 30 years, it's still running. I may not have a little bit. Let's just start out with any old business to discuss. I would usually be the one bringing things up, so, no.
Because you're old.
Yes. Yes, as a matter of fact. So the only thing that I would like to bring up, I'm the vice president. All right. The word chronograph is a little, sometimes misused, shall we say. there are a lot of things that are actually described as chronographs, and for example, this watch here says right on the dial chronograph. It is not a chronograph. So let's talk about what these things are. First of all, we have something we're all familiar with, which is just a standard stopwatch.